Welcome to chemistry class. Here we will discuss today quantum number. What is the quantum number? Quantum numbers are address of an electron. This is an address of an electron. As we know, to search a particular person in this world, four things are needed. Like the first one is the country to which the person belongs, the city in that country to which the person belongs, the street in that city where the person is residing, and the house number. And it is very clear, if you want to know my address, you have to know the country, my city, my street, and my house number. So similarly, four identification numbers are required to locate a particular electron in an atom. These identification numbers are called quantum numbers. The four quantum numbers the four quantum numbers are discussed. The first, what is the quantum number? Quantum number is an address of an electron. Quantum number are the identification number for an individual electron in an atom, since these fully describe the position and energy of an electron. The four quantum numbers, each of these can have only certain specific values which are interrelated. Always remember, all the four quantum numbers are interrelated. Thus quantum numbers are complete address of an electron. Okay students, this is the complete address of an electron. Next, quantum numbers are four types. The first one is principal quantum number. I am giving it very briefly. The principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. The principal quantum number, which is discovered by Bohr, and it is noted by small n and tells about the shells. It tells about the shells. And azimuthal quantum number is denoted by small l and it tells about subshell, and this azimuthal quantum number is given by Sommerfeld. And third one is the magnetic quantum number, which is denoted by small m and it tells about the orbital. And the last one is the spin quantum number. It is denoted by small s and it tells about the spin of an electron. So what is the quantum number? Quantum numbers are the index numbers which tells about the position and energy of an electron. So move on, the first quantum number, which is the principal quantum number. This principal quantum number was given by Bohr. It is denoted by small n. It represents name, size, energy of the cell to which the electron belongs. Okay, it tells about the what energy level or principal shell to which an electron belongs. It can have only integral value from 1 to infinity. The letters K, L, M are used to designate the values of small n. If n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, the letter designations used are capital L, capital K, M, N respectively. Suppose if n is equal to 3. Suppose n is equal to 3. See here. See here. If n is equal to 3, then which shell the electron will reside in, which cell? In M shell. Okay, this is M shell. If n is equal to 1, there is K shell. If n is equal to 2, L shell. If n is equal to 3, here is M shell, and if n is equal to 4, there is N shell. Okay, then principal quantum number tells about the shells of where the electron belongs, in which shell to which an electron belongs, and gives the idea of the size of the cell. And what is the value of n? Higher the value of n, greater the distance of the shell from the nucleus. And we can say also lower the value of n. Lower the value of n if lower the value of n what will happen? If lower the value of n, it means electron is nearer to the nucleus. Electron is nearer to the nucleus. Okay, this is the very important point. Maximum number of electrons in a shell may be 2n square. Okay, what is the formula? 2n square. If, like, this is the formula, 2 maximum number of, if we have to calculate the maximum number of electrons in a shell, then 2n square is the formula. What is the n? N is equal to n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Suppose here 2 into n is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, it means maximum number of electrons in K shell, it may be 2 electrons. Like here we have put it here, 2 into 2 8, 3 into 3 18, and 4 into 4 you will get maximum number of electrons. The next one, the angular momentum can also be calculated using principal quantum number. The formula is m v r is equal to nh upon 2 pi. This is the formula from which we can calculate the angular momentum, okay, with the help of principal quantum number. This is the principal quantum number. Always remember the value of n, it is always 1 2 3 4, but not 0. It cannot, principal quantum number cannot be 0. Next slide. Next is the azimuthal quantum number. This azimuthal quantum number is denoted by small l. It is given by Sommerfeld. It is also called angular quantum number, subsidiary quantum number, secondary quantum number. There are so many names of this quantum number. Its values. First of all, we will talk about values. The value of L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Always remember it values 0. Here x, here 0 is included, but in case of principal quantum number 0 is excluded, but in case of azimuthal quantum number 0 is included. It describes the spatial distribution of electron cloud and angular momentum. It gives the name of subshell associated with the main cell. Okay, students, it gives the name of subshell. It tells about the subshell, and this subshell is associated with the main cell, introduced by Sommerfeld in this atomic model, and gives the angular momentum of the electron in the precessional elliptic movement around the nucleus, and accounts for the fine structure of the hydrogen spectrum. It gives an idea of shape of orbital Oslo. The permitted values of L for a given value of n. L can have values from 0 to n minus 1. Always remember, L can have any values from 0 to n minus 1 for a given value of small n. The value of L may be 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the permitted values of L for a given value of n? Okay, if here n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, then L is equal to 0. It means it is having one value. Okay, it is having one value. One value, it means there is only S subshell. Here is only S subshell. If n is equal to 2, if n is equal to 2, there are two values like 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0 for S or S subshell, and 1 for the P subshell. There are two values are permitted. If n is equal to 3, then L is equal to 0, 1, 2. There are 3 values like 0 for S, 1 for P and 2 for D or D subshell. Like n बराबर 4, then L बराबर 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 for S, 1 for P, 2 for D and 3 for F subshell. So here 4 values are permitted. Different values of L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are symbolized by the letter S, P, D, F. S sharp, principal, D for diffuse, F for fundamental. Here L is equal to 0, sharp. The shape of orbital is spherical. If L is equal to 1, principal, its sublabel is named as a principal. This is dumbbell shape. And diffuse, D diffuse, this is a clover leaf. And F is the fundamental, which is very complex, which is too complex. Okay, we cannot consider it very much. Okay, these are the permitted values of L for a given value of n. The energy of the various subshells in the same shell are in order of S, P, D, F. Like S, these are the energy level. The energy of the various subshells in the same shell are in order of S, P, D, F. They are in their increasing order. Subshell having equal L values but with different N values have similar shapes, but their size increases as the value of N increases. Suppose we are taking one example. Suppose 2S subshell is greater in size than 1S subshell. Similarly, 2P, 3P, 4P subshell have similar shapes but their size increases in order of 2P, 3P and 4P. Okay, this is the we can understood the energies of the various subshells in a shell. Maximum electrons present in a subshell we can calculate. There is a formula 2L is 2 and bracket में 2L plus when. If there is S subshell, there are 2 electrons, P subshell 6 electrons, D subshell 10 electrons and F subshell there are 14 electrons. Okay, these are the permitted values of L for a value of N. What is a magnetic quantum number? This quantum number is noted by small m. To explain splitting of a single spectral line into a number of closed spaced lines in a presence of magnetic field is called Zeeman effect. Okay. What Linde proposed, according to Linde, presence of more lines in the spectrum in a magnetic field or in an electric field indicates that energy levels are further subdivided by the field and an additional quantum number which is magnetic quantum number, or we can say that under the influence of magnetic field each subshell like SPDF, each subshell is further subdivided into orbitals. Okay, understand? They are principal quantum numbers. Shell is composed of subshell and subshell is composed of number of orbitals. Okay, under the influence of magnetic field each subshell is further subdivided into orbitals. Magnetic quantum number describes the orientations or distributions of electron cloud. Of each value of L, the magnetic quantum number M may assume all the integral values from -1 to L including 0. Always remember, for each value of L, what is the L? L is the azimuthal quantum number. L, the magnetic quantum number, may assume all integral values from -L to +1 including 0. Here, see. permitted values of m when L is equal to 0. If L is equal to 0, then m is equal to 0. Only one value. Okay. This is only one value. When L बराबर 1 and here the three values of m having three orientation. Three orientation, like here is a S, here is a P orbital having three orientations, Px, Py, Pz, and in case of L बराबर 0, m बराबर 0, there is one orientation which is of S orbit, S subshell, which is having one orientation. But in case of P orbital, if L बराबर 1, m is having three orientation like Px, Py, and Pz. Different values of m for a given value of L provide the total number of ways in which a given SPDF subshell in the presence of magnetic field can be arranged in space along x, y, z axis, or total number of orbitals into which a given subshell can be divided. As I have already told you, L बराबर 0, then m बराबर 0, one value, one orientation, S subshell, one space orientation. Hence, it can be arranged in space only in one way. This can be arranged in space only in one way along x, y, z axis. Thus, S orbital has a symmetrical spherical shape and usually represented like this. This is represented if L बराबर 0 and m बराबर 0. There is one value, there is one orientation along its x, y, z axis. In case of 1s orbital, the electron cloud is maximum. In case of, suppose this is the 1s orbital, electron cloud is maximum at the nucleus and decreases with the distance. The electron density at a particular distance is uniform in all direction. As we know, the s orbital, which is spherical and symmetrical in shape, it means the charge density is uniform in all direction. The region of maximum electron density is called antinode. Okay, this is in case of s orbital. If there is L बराबर 1, if L बराबर m, then m has three values and three orientations. Okay, it implies that P subshell of any energy shell has three space orientation, three orbitals, and as we know that P orbital has dumbbell shape. Each one is disposed symmetrically along one of the three axes as shown here. This is the dumbbell shape, Px, Py, Pz. Like if L बराबर 2, there are five values, five orientations. They are dx, dxy, dyz, dzx, dz square, dx square minus dx square minus y square. All of the 5d orbitals are not identical in shape. Four of the d orbitals like dxy, yz, dzx, dx square minus y square contain four lobes, while fifth orbital dz square consists of only two lobes. This is the dz square containing only two lobes, but four are rest are having four lobes, and this one having two lobes. The lobes of dxy orbital, suppose this is a dxy orbital, lie between x and y axis. Similarly, in case of dyz and dzx orbital. Okay. The four lobes of dx square minus y orbital, are lying along x and y axis, while the two lobes of dzx square orbital are lying along z axis. Okay, this is the z axis and contain a ring of negative charge surrounding the nucleus in xy plane. So here for the value of L, m has, what are the values of m? if L बराबर 0, M value 1 orientation, S orbital, S subshell we can say L बराबर 1, M बराबर M has 3 values, 3 orientation, Px, Py, Pz. If L बराबर 2, M बराबर -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and 5 orientation. If L बराबर 3, M having -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. These are the F shapes orbital, which is very complex. So these are the orbitals. What are the characteristics of the orbitals? All the orbitals of same shell in the absence of magnetic field possess same energy and they are degenerate. Okay, so this is the magnetic quantum number. These are the permitted values of. The last one is the spin quantum number. It is denoted by small s and it is given by Goldschmidt. S represents the direction of electron spin around its own axis. For clockwise +half, for anti-clockwise -half. So spin quantum number, the spin quantum number describes the angular momentum of an electron. An electron spin around an axis and has both angular momentum and orbital angular momentum. Because angular momentum is a vector, the spin quantum number has both magnitude and direction. So this is the spin quantum number. Always remember, spin quantum number cannot be 0. Spin quantum number cannot be 0. Suppose where I am taking for an example, here is nucleus, these are the shells, and each cell is composed of a number of subshell, like here is S, like P, like S, like P, like double, like D. Okay, so this is the cell. Shell is composed of a number of subshell, and this is the shell, and shell is composed of a number of subshell like S, P, D. Okay, and what is the spin quantum number? And the maximum probability of electron is found in the orbital. And what is the spin quantum number? We can calculate the angular quantum number with the help of spin quantum number. The electron revolves around the orbital, around the nucleus. It is revolving, and it moves in its direction like this, and it also spin its own axis. It also spin its own axis. Okay, it also spin its own axis. That's why we can calculate spin angular quantum number. So this is the spin quantum number, and the next one is the quantum number. Here I am giving some possible values. Remember always principal quantum number 1, 2, 3, 4. Azimuthal quantum number including 0 here, and to n minus 1 is the formula. Magnetic quantum number is -L2 plus L including 0, and spin quantum number is +half or -half. Okay, all the 4 quantum numbers of, if there is a numerical, there is a question, if you are giving a question for give all the 4 quantum numbers of 2p2, then what is the n here, which here written, which number is written here? 2. N is equal to 2. Always remember, n is equal to 2. P, if L बराबर 0, then S subshell. If L बराबर 1, P subshell. So here is P subshell. It means here is the value of L is equal to 1. And what is the value of M? The value of M is equal to, here I am having 3 values, as we know that, -1, 0, +1, and L is having +half or -half. Okay, 4s, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0. Okay, because L is equal to 0 for S orbital. If L 0, then M 0, and S is equal to plus or -half. There is some technical error here. Here is S is equal to +half or -half. Here is also +half, -half. Here is also s is equal to plus half or minus half. 3d4, n is equal to 3, l is equal to 2 because l बराबर 2 it indicates d subshell. They were having 5 values, 5 orientations in an orbital, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, like dxy, dyz, dzx, dzx square, dx square minus y square, and as having plus half, minus half values. If an example is given, n is equal to 3 and give all the 4 quantum numbers, then l is equal to, you have to write 0, 1, 2. What are the values of m? M is equal to -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Okay, and s is equal to plus minus half. Okay students, this is the values for n. If n is given, if you have to given the shell, subshell, you are given p or p subshell, s subshell, d subshell, so there is no need to give the all the values of l like 0, 1. Here is a n is equal to 3, then you have to give the 0, 1, 2. Okay, and if here, if 2p2, suppose here 2p2, here are 2 electrons, and the question is give the spin quantum number for first electron. Give the spin quantum number for first electron. So what will be the answer? Answer is equal to, s is equal to plus half. Always remember, not plus minus, only plus half. Okay students, this is for this is the value of s for a first electron. This is the plus half, plus half, plus half, and the fourth electron is having minus half, fifth electron is having minus half, sixth electron is having minus half. So always remember, these are the 4 quantum numbers of some examples are given here. Okay students, this is all about quantum number. What are the quantum numbers? Quantum numbers are the address of an electron, where the electron resides in an orbital. Okay, this is all about quantum number. Okay, thank you.